In this lecture, we are going to see parameter types in the macro. So we have four types: positional parameters, keyword parameters, default values of parameters, macros with mixed parameters. This is first type, positional parameters. In this you can see this is a macro call with A, B and A register as actual parameters. Now we know in macro definition we have a line incr ampersand A, comma, ampersand B, comma, register. Now here you can see this is at position 1, so ampersand A is at position 1, B is at position 1, ampersand B is at position 2, B is at 2 and A register is at position 3. So in this way position 1 is mapped with position 1, position 2 actual parameter is associated with position 2 of the formal parameter, position 3 parameter is associated with position 3 formal parameter. So how that is done you can see here. Formal parameters: memory val A, increment val 5 and register equal to A register. Now I'll clear this explanation. We'll have explanation according to this formal parameter specification. Now how this is so you can see here the formal macro with a formal parameter list incr ampersand memory val comma ampersand incr val and at last comma ampersand register. So you can see here at first position A is there, that's why ampersand memory val is associated with value A. Second one is incr underscore val, so this B is at second place, so incr underscore val equal to B, and at register we have here A register, so this register is replaced with A register. So in this way the register is assigned with A register. So the lexical substitution will happen like move A register comma A, add A register comma B, and move M A register comma A. So this is called as positional parameters. Next type is keyword parameter. In keyword parameter, the formal parameter is directly given with actual parameter. So the main call, formal parameter is directly assigned with the actual parameter. So here the position, ordinal position of parameters is not going to affect anywhere. Whereas in positional parameters, exactly reverse of keyword, the ordinal position of each and every actual parameter matters a lot. In keyword parameter, the sequence or the ordinal position is not going to matter at all, because assignment of formal parameter with actual parameter is directly given in the call. So this is what the keyword parameter. Next is default values of a parameter. Here you can see that three different calls are shown. incr underscore t, here memory val equal to A, incr val equal to P, register is not specified. Second call is there. At first incr val B, memory val A is written, register is not given. And at third call, incr val B, memory val A, and register equal to B register is given. So here you can see that the sequence, memory val first, incr val second, incr val first, memory val second, or adding register equal to B register. Here these two calls are same, because this ordinal position is not going to matter as in case of keyword parameter. But this default values of parameter is a combination of keyword, and if register is not specified, by default register will be taken as a register. So if you specifically given B register, then this A register will be overwritten by B register. So this is the expanded code, ampersand memory value equal to INCR value equal to. So this memory value equal to obviously going to be A, INCR value equal to B. If you consider this call, INCR underscore value equal to B, same, and memory value equal to A, same, no problem. So this A register is by default register. That's why the name is default values of parameters. Now, if we give B register explicitly over here, then this A register is to be replaced with B register. So this is not a default call. This is not a default call. These two calls are called as default calls. I hope you understood this. Next is macros with mixed parameters. So macros with mixed parameters is a combination of positional as well as keyword. So whatever we learned in positional, that the order matters, and whatever we learned in keyword, that order will not matter at all. Directly values will be given to the formal parameters. So this combination is called as macros with mixed parameters. So in this way, we have seen different types of parameters in the macro. The slide credit goes to Professor D.M. Damdere, the book System Programming. Thank you. Happy learning.